exploring the meaning of bonds of unity. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we are going to explore a fascinating English phrase, bonds of unity. This phrase is not just a combination of words but carries a deep meaning about relationships and togetherness. Let's dive in and understand what it truly signifies. Bonds of unity refers to the invisible yet strong connections that bring and keep people together. The word bonds implies a link or a relationship, while unity speaks of coming together or being in harmony. This phrase is often used to describe the strength found in teamwork, family ties, friendships, or even communities and nations. To grasp this concept better, let's look at some examples. 1. The bonds of unity in our community helped us overcome the challenges. 2. Despite their differences, the team's bonds of unity made them unbeatable. In these sentences, the phrase illustrates how connections and togetherness play a crucial role in success and overcoming obstacles. This phrase also has cultural and historical importance. It's been used in political speeches, social movements, and historical documents to emphasize the importance of sticking together. It highlights how unity can be a powerful force in creating change or maintaining stability. The phrase, bonds of unity, is a beautiful example of how language can capture the essence of human relationships and cooperation. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, it's the bonds of unity that often make us stronger. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.